This is Marty with Palmetto Moon Synthetic Turf. We're here at 2807 Palm Boulevard at Isle of Palms, South Carolina. At this beautiful Charleston home, we will be installing an artificial lawn. As you can see, currently the grass is having a hard time growing, shade, roots, the acidity of the soil. So we'll be coming in and doing an artificial lawn install. This is the front of the house from the left side of the house to the right over here. This is the side of the house, panning back to across the front of the house. As you can see, there are just lots of bare spots in the grass. Which is why an artificial lawn is needed. We will also be installing turf from the side of the driveway to the gate, and this goes back out to the front. From the back left entrance of the house, we will be installing a walkway here, 5 feet wide all the way down toward the pool area. In addition to the artificial lawn, we will be doing a hardscape job at this property. Currently you can see the pool is in place, but there's no concrete around the pool, no travertine. Here we'll be removing part of the decking up to the columns. At that point we'll come back with some scored and stamped concrete. There's also an old kind of koi pond back in the back. We'll be removing that and filling it in as well. And this walkway here will be replaced. As you can see, we have the ditch witch going. Just removing the top layer of the At this point we have removed the side and put the sub base in and compacted it out. We've got the turf rolled out and we're getting it rough cut in. Here we are putting in the infill and using the power broom to sweep it in.